Jo, från CD till MP3 till DAT. Det är MVG, cash som BNP. Diakité AB, LTD på www.rap.se. Skicka ut ett SOS på SMS till alla BSS och KDS. Glöm inte MVH, håller allt OK. Vänder på hela skiten, börjar ÖRA. Skjuter som AIK men bor i MFF. Hörs i THX, syns i VOS. Går lös som jag druckit HB, OSV. Lös som att blanda LSD och PCP. PGA, jag är vild som IRA. Tar ett steg varje dag som AA. Så spela in detta på ditt TDK. Det galnaste spåret som PKK. MVH, Timbuk PS. Jag rensar borden och förkortar orden. MVH, Timbuk PS. Småplåt, tungan, rap, AX. MVH, Timbuk PS. Jag krossar myter, gapar moniter. MVH, Timbuk PS. Eyo, fuck hela KVB, hela systemet är CP. Måste blivit tappat på BB, knappar på PC, revolten som IT. Utländsk som ET, pumpar i din MD. Synkar upp BPM med EKG, global som CNN. Smart som SVT, syns på MTV. Hög kvalitet som DVD. En giftig MC som DDT, tjänar SCK och bidrag från EU. En höghastighets hiphop CPU.nu. Timbuk MVP, rullar som en svart BMW M3 OBS. Navigerar som GPS, som en V6 MB med SDS. Ändrar form som T2, kickar som Lunds BK. MBH, TIMBUK. MBH, Timbuk PS. Jag rensar borden och förkortar orden. MBH, Timbuk PS. Smakplåt, tungan, rap, AX. MBH, Timbuk PS. Jag krossar myter, gapar moniter. MBH, Timbuk PS. Jag är en jävligt HC, rap PHD. Sant som OLV, Nordpoäng, ATP, LOVE. THC, undercover som KGB. Smittsammare än HIV, MONS. Slår beats på MPC. Bas i VST, ljudbild i 3D. TIMB, mikrofon VD. Konto på SEB och en fet LP. Hörs på P3, AM, FM. Guld i rap, SM, VM, MM, PM. Jag skolar som AMU, hög IQ. Varje vers är EQ. Grillar som BK, med dyr som NK. Ring, trycker R2, hookar som en BH. Rör mer än VVS, men aldrig PMS. PS, jag flyger som SAS. MVH, Timbuk PS. Jag rensar borden och förkortar orden. MVH, Timbuk PS. Smakplåt, tungan, rap, AX. MVH, Timbuk PS. Jag krossar myter, gapar moniter. MVH, Timbuk PS.
Vänta, vi lyssnar på den nu. Fan vad kul.
Trying to catch the beat. I'm trying to catch the beat. I'm trying to catch the beat. I'm trying to catch the beat. Throw your motherfucking hands.
Get 'em high.
All the girls pass the weed to your motherfucking man.
Get 'em high.
Now I ain't never tell you to put down your hands.
Keep 'em high.
And if you're losing your high, then smoke again.
Keep 'em high.
Nah. My flow is in the pocket like Wallace. I got the bounce like hydraulics. I can't call it. I got the swirl like alcohol. My freshman year, I was going through hella problems till I bit up the nerve to drop my ass about a call. My teacher said I was a loser. I told her, why don't you kill me? I give a fuck if you feel me. I'm gonna follow my heart. And if you follow the charts or the plaques or the stacks, you ain't gotta guess who's back. You see, I'm so shy that you thought I was bashful, but this bastard's flow will bash your skull. And I will cut your girl like past the troll. And I don't usually smoke but past the dro. And I won't give you that money that you asking for. Why you think me and Dame cool? We assholes. That's why we hear your music getting fast forward. Cause we don't wanna hear that weak shit no more. Throw your motherfucking hands.
Get 'em high.
All the girls pass the weed to your motherfucking man.
Get 'em high.
who the hell is this? Emailing me at 11:26, telling me that she 3626 plus double D. You know girls on Black Planet B when they get bubbly at NYU, but she hail from Kansas. Right now she just lamping, chilling on campus. Sent me a picture with a feeling on Candace, who said her favorite rapper was the late great Francis. WHIT, it's getting late, mommy. Your screensaver say tweet, so you got to call me and bring a friend for my friend. His name Kweli.
You mean Talib, lyrics 6 to your rib. I mean, that's my favorite CD that I play in my crib. I mean, you don't really know him. Why is you lying?
Yo, Kwa, she don't believe me. Please pick up the line. She gon' think that I'm lying. Just spit a couple of lines, then maybe I'll be able to give a dick all the time and get her high.
Yeah. Ow! I can't believe this nigga used my name for picking up dimes. But never mind, I need some traction, trying to pull tracks out. And my rhymes is finna blow, you trying to blow backs out. Well, okay, you twisted my arm, I'll assist with the charm. Hey, yo, ain't you meet that chick at that conference with your mom? So she's the mom, but she got the bougie behavior. Always got something to say, like a okay player hater. Anyways, I don't usually fuck with the internet. Or chicks with birth control stuck to their arm like Nicorette. You really fucking that much or trying to get on cigarettes? If she think it's fly, she ain't met a real nigga yet. I apologize if I come off a little inconsiderate. I got the bubble cushion, the sister could get ahead of it.
Get 'em high like noon or the moon or a room filled with smoke, a hype filled with dope. Y'all assumed I was doomed out of tune, but I still feel the notes, the real nigga quotes. Real rappers is hard to find, like a remote.